Hey, the holidays are coming. And if you haven't planned for it, now's the time. You can get the Cherry Blend Coffee Sampler. As you see before me, there are 14 different coffees, 2-ounce bags. Each bag makes a 38-ounce pot of coffee. We have go from the light, medium, dark, and decaf. So a simple explanation is this is how you get the box. It's going to come shipped to you, or you're going to pick it up, all sealed, ready to go with our logo on it, so you know exactly who we are. We're going to provide 14 samples of our coffees. Each box is individually packed and set up with each bag containing the 2 ounces of coffee, which contains enough coffee to make a 38-ounce pot of coffee. If you need it ground or if you need a whole bean, we can take care of it. It doesn't matter what kind of coffee maker you have, you just tell us. We're going to make sure that everything's perfect just for you. Whether you're shopping for a family member or a loved one, or if you're looking for a Christmas gift or your employees in the office, reach out to us at Cherry Blend Coffee Roasters. We're at 10th Street in Cherry in Canton, Ohio. You can look us up online at cherryblendcoffeeroasters.com 24/7, or you can stop in anytime, Monday through Friday, 10 to 5:30, Saturday 10 to 3, and get your coffee.